In the beginning of July, we took a 2-week vacation to Montana to visit Obie's family. Here are some of our highlights. The mornings start early as sunrise is around 5:30 during the summer. This morning we are going to move cows, so we loaded up the four-wheelers and headed out.
You ready to go move cows?
The cows are located on another farm about 30 miles away from the homestead. The cows had to be moved about a mile or two down the road to another field. After gathering them all up, we had them cross over a field and then onto a road to the next field, which was about 2 miles down the road. The cows were easy to move and they willingly followed the vehicles. Back on the family farm, it's time to cut some hay.
We're gonna swat some hay down. Gonna have a hay down. Whew. Baby's gonna get his first trip in a swather.
We loaded up on the swather and got to cutting. Montana is in a drought this summer, but the family farm has an irrigation system, so the fields were thick with grass ready to be cut. We didn't bale any hay this time, but we did get to pick up the bales and take them to the haystack where they will be stored till it's time to feed the cows this winter. As our 2 weeks come to a close, we are able to reflect on what was accomplished and, most importantly, the time spent with family. Be sure to check out our channel for other videos of our Montana adventure.